To talk more, though, about this day, and we know it's a phrase we've used a lot, and sometimes it's a phrase that can be overused, but of all days, this day, history truly does describe what we saw happen here today, not only in the indictment, but the appearance of a former president facing federal criminal charges. And to frame that sense of history, that moment, we turn now to WPTV News Channel 5's Stephanie Susskind.
A local history professor tells me how this all gets remembered in the history books largely depends on what happens next. Roger Chapman has been teaching history at Palm Beach Atlantic University for 16 years. He says many people are comparing Trump's trouble with President Richard Nixon's Watergate scandal, but he says there are some big differences, including the mistrust in government right now. He says the indictment shows no matter who you are held accountable if evidence shows you broke the law. He hopes the public will have faith in the judicial process.
There's been an anti-institutional bias in our country for a long time, but it's really bad when people who are part of the government are mistrusting the government. I mean, if we go down this road too much, we have to ask ourselves, what is the future of our democracy? It's too bad we have this drama, but if secrets or classified documents were not handled properly, and if it was more than just accidental, then it should be looked into.
Chapman also tells me it's possible this whole thing could still be going on when it comes time for the November 2024 election, because former President Trump is known for filing appeals and dragging out court cases as long as possible. Reporting in West Palm Beach, Stephanie Susskind, WPTV News Channel 5.